Hi. Now let us see how the cancellation will work on our system. So let us place some orders, and I'm just on the website. I will just place some orders. So I will place one order for the clothing, and I will place an order again for the damn good product. Okay, so let me check out on this. So on the checkout page, I will get an option to log in as a customer. So I will just log in here as so here I have just placed a order. Sorry, let me confirm the order first. So I will place a cash on delivery order. So remember, we are not going to have a COD. So all the orders will be paid orders to us. So I will place this order. And now it says we have received two orders for the two products. So let us see on the back end, and we should see now two orders just received. So one was received 29 seconds and 31 seconds ago. And let us see how the customer can place a request for cancellation. So if the customer goes now to the dashboard and orders, he will also see two orders. And if the customer wish to ask for a cancellation for a particular order, he or she can do that from here. So the cancellation can be for a single item or multiple items, or the complete order has to be cancelled. So accordingly, the person can place a request, and the cancellation request button will only available for 6 hours. So after 6 hours, maybe the order is processed and we cannot cancel that order after 6 hours. So the time can be increased as per the TNCs. So here I have assumed that the cancellation request will only be placed within 6 hours from the time of ordering. So if the customer clicks on cancel request, a form will pop up, and the form will show some predefined reasons for cancellation. So here I have jot down few cancellation reasons, but there can be more, so we can add those as well. So maybe I will say ordered by mistake, and the customer can type in few things. By mistake placed order for wrong product, and the person can then send a cancellation request. So once the cancellation request is submitted, it will say it will give a notification to the customer: order cancellation request submitted for order 13274. So here the cancellation request is reflecting. So let us see on the backend what we have received, and I will just refresh the orders page. and I should now see a cancellation request here. So we can also filter all the cancellation requests from this button. So now I need to click on the order. The order cannot be directly cancelled by the customer, so the customer need to request a cancellation. So once the cancellation request is received, the status here for the order has changed to cancel request, and now we need to process the cancellation manually on this order. So here I need to first go and change the status depending on the decision. So maybe the order can be cancelled or cannot be cancelled. If they have a valid reason, based on that we can cancel this order. So I'm assuming that we are going to cancel this order. So first I have changed the status for this order and I have changed it to cancelled. Now I need to go down and select for a refund. So assuming that we are not going to have COD orders, this order is a paid order and we need to refund it. So to refund it, I just need to click on the refund tab and I will get the section to refund the amount. So maybe there can be a scenario wherein we are not refunding full uh, charges for the product and partial refund is approved for the product. So we can do that from here. So at the moment you will see that this one is a grayed out field. So what we need to do is we need to first select the quantity. So the quantity can be like the person has order by mistake 2 products instead of 1 product. So they want to cancel one. So we need to select the quantity from here. So at the moment it is 1 product. So I will select 1 product from here. So immediately you will see a refund amount of 12 rupees. So this product cost we have reduced it to test the payment gateway. So the product cost is 10 rupees, the GST is 2 and we are refunding this. Also we need to check for the shipping charges. So if we wish to refund the shipping charges, we can do that from here. So I will update the shipping charges as 50 and immediately you will see the amount of refund is now matching the available amount. So here because we do not have a payment on this particular order, it is not showing refund to the origin of the payment, but it should show the refund to origin, and now it is giving me just a section to refund it manually. So at the moment, because we don't have any option, we can click this and the refund will be done. So before that we can select few reasons for the refund. So maybe we can place a note for the approval, approved by MD or something like that. So that can be done, or we can just place a refund reason here. So once I say refund manually, it will give you a pop-up. Are you sure you wish to process this refund? This action cannot be undone. So remember that once the refund is processed, it cannot be reversed here. So I have done that now, and the refund is getting processed manually. So we can send it to the bank or something like that. So here you will immediately see the steps on the order note. So the parent order is this, the stock levels reduced for this from 88 to 87, order status changed from pending payment to processing, and by mistake cancellation reason, select reason for cancellation, processing to cancel request, and now the stock has increased from 87 to 88 again. So because this box was ticked here, it is now it has done the stock adjustment as well. Order status we have changed from cancel request to refund. So now it is done for the order refund, and we can just go and update it. So once we update it, we will also see the emails to the customers. So we need not select a email manually from here. The email will be sent directly to the customer. But before that, we need to understand the reversal of the entries here. So you will see the cost has been reversed, the quantity has been reversed, GST has been reversed, shipping charges has been reversed, and the net thing is now refunded as rupees 62. So let us check out the emails which are going now. If I first refresh the dashboard for the customer, he is going to see the status change here immediately to refunded, and the total has now gone to 0. So let us check out the emails as well for the customer. So I will just log in gmail.com, and this is the customer email address. So we should now see the cancellation and the refund amount. Right. So you will first see the order confirmation has been received thing, and you will see the order details over here. So it will give you all the details about the order. Now you will see order cancellation request for order 13274 is submitted successfully. So this is how the email will look. It's a short email. And the next one is store order has been refunded. So this is how the refund email will look. So all the things are sorted about the refund. So that is all for the refund, and we can manage the refunds very well from the orders page.